So today I'm replacing a temperature mode valve actuator on my 2007 H3 Hummer. If you have a tick noise like this one coming from the dash area, it's most likely a bad door actuator. This one comes on and off as I play with the temperature knobs here. So locate where your vehicle has the actuators. They're usually under the dash area on the passenger or driver's side, depending on the type of vehicle, and try to feel which one is making the sound. These are door actuators that open and close the doors to control the temperature. I found a schematic online that shows where this vehicle has them, which is on the passenger side under the dash here, and there's 3 of them. The one on top there is the one that's making the noise. Not very easy to get to. I will need a 6mm socket, and before unbolting I unplug the wires. Make sure the ignition key is off before we start taking it down. Even with the seat all the way back, there's not much room, and holding a camera while doing this is not advised, so I will show only the important things to give you an idea, and I won't bore you with the rest. Here's the actuator itself. The male gear is what inserts into the door and it mounts this way. And this is where the electric plug goes. When reinserting it into the box, make sure that it's positioned the same as the one you take off. Okay, after we bolt the new one back on and reinsert the plug, now we're ready to try it. No more ticking sound. Hope this helps someone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for the parts that I used, and we'll have a great day.